As we celebrate our 40th anniversary, we look back to 1985 when my father Jerry Osborne established Roman with a vision of becoming the UK's leading shower manufacturer. We initially started selling bath screens to match the bath suites at the time. Now 40 years later, Roman has grown into the UK's largest manufacturing facility with a presence in 72 international markets. I joined in 1992, and throughout the early years, the range of products evolved to include showering clothes and shower trays. Now we have a complete bathroom offering. Sadly, Jerry passed away last year, but is extremely proud to see his grandson Matthew begin his journey with Roman.
As a third generation in our family business, it's an amazing time to be joining the company. I look forward to being involved in its future.
Thank you to our incredible teams and customers for being part of this journey. Here's to the future of Roman.